Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen dry. First, boil your ramen noodles until they are just right, not too soft. Then, drain them very well to get rid of all the water. While the noodles are cooking, you can get your sauce and toppings ready. This ensures everything comes together quickly for a delicious meal. Now, let's create that amazing dry ramen sauce. A simple base includes soy sauce, sesame oil, and a hint of sugar. For those who love a little heat, add some chili garlic sauce or sriracha. If you want a richer, creamier sauce, whisk in a spoonful of peanut butter. Mix everything well until smooth. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are amazing. You can find the link for them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your noodles are drained and your sauce is ready, it's time to combine them. Toss the hot noodles with your sauce right away, making sure every single strand gets coated. This is key for that perfect dry ramen experience. Finish by garnishing with fresh scallions, a soft-boiled egg, and some toasted sesame seeds for extra flavor and texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.